How to fix Messenger active status not showing on your phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. So if you found that the Messenger active status is not working at all on the Messenger, then here's how you can fix the problem. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the Messenger active status problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the Messenger application from your phone. And from the Messenger homepage, go and tap on this menu button at the bottom right. And then simply go and tap on settings. Now, once you're here inside the settings, tap on active status and go ahead and enable the active status first. Or if it's already enabled, go ahead and turn this option off and go ahead and turn off and then enable it again. And then go ahead and force close the Messenger application from background and then reopen it and see if that fix your problem or not. Most likely a problem is going to be solved, but if you still have the problem, then here's the last two things that you guys can do. Just get back from here and then open up the settings app from your phone and then scroll down to the apps, and once you get into the apps, go and search for Messenger here. And once you get the Messenger, go ahead and tap on this and then scroll down a little bit. Under the storage, go ahead and tap on storage and then tap on clear cache, and then just get back from here and then open up the Play Store and then search for Messenger here. And go and tap on the Messenger, and if you find any pending update, go and update your Messenger application to the very latest version. Or if you don't find an update, you just go back from here and then restart your phone once. And once you do that, most likely a problem is going to be solved and a Messenger will start showing the active status. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.